Hi, welcome to Word Seed program. Today, day 2. Let us see what is the common myth about early childhood reading. Point 2. As a day 2, let us see the second common myth what we all have about early childhood reading. The second point is learning to read requires various skills and strategies. This is what we all have the second common myth about early childhood reading. We feel that child requires various skills and strategies to learn reading. But the reading itself is a skill. Like any other skill, the child learn at that age, like walking and talking. Say, the child learn walking at that age to get the confidence about walking in future. In the same way, talking also. It starts talking and learning talking at that age to have the confident talking in future. The same way, the reading can be taught at that age. That is the foundation of the reading skill. It is very crucial to help the child to become a confident reader in future and for lifelong. It doesn't require any special skill or strategies. It is a skill like any other skill for a child. And it doesn't require to teach any special skills to make a child read. But it can be done in a play-based activities and many fun ways at the home itself. Let us see one by one. Engaging in language. See, the child can learn our mother tongue by listening to us what we talk. The same way, you can start talking few words in English so that the child can engage listening to the words. Second one, use flashcards or books like this so that the child can get familiar with the letters and sounds and get to know what it is. And by playing word game, the same way the child can also start playing with it and get familiar with the letters, sounds, and about the language at that age. And simply listening the parents reading to them. Let us read for the child so that the child can hear the vocabulary and learn by hearing the readings. So what I'm trying to tell you is the reading itself is a skill. The foundation is very important at that age. So let us start, make the child reading at home. Thank you.